Hello guys! Let's learn some colors. Black color, violet color, red color, dark blue color, green color, purple color, light green color, orange color, sky blue color, brown color, yellow color. Today we'll learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, G, H, I, J, K, L. Number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, A, B, C, D, E, F. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. G, H, I, J, K, L. Number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello. Let's learn some colors. Yellow color, purple color, brown color, sky blue color, orange color, dark blue color, red color, black color, pink color, dark green color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. Purple color. A for aeroplane. A, dark green color. B. B for banana. B. Dark blue color. C. C for cake. C. Sky blue color. D. D for doll. D. Orange color. E. E for egg. E. Pink color. F. F for flowers. Let's learn to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Red color. Number 1. Number 1. Yellow color. Number 2. Number 2. Sky blue color. Number 3. Number 3. Purple color. Number 4. Number 4. Orange color. Number 5. Number 5. Dark green color. Number 6. Number 6. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.